Alright, we're gonna attempt to build this desk that Marby bought with her own money. And I like that when other people pay. I'm just kidding. But we're gonna attempt to build this. I'm excited. I don't know about you. Also, we both gave a rough estimate of how long this is gonna take us. She thinks 20 minutes. I say about 40. So let's see who's right.
Women.
Women are always right. I don't know how much of this we got, but the camera stopped recording for some reason, so we shall continue. We just realized this needs to be flipped around, so now we gotta unscrew it all. Well, just three unscrews? Where is it? Right here. finished our desk. We built it. We did it. And I just checked the time. You said what, 20 minutes?
Yes.
It took 50 minutes. I said about 40, so I was closer. She severely underestimated the time it would take to build this thing. But I like it. We both like it. This is gonna be our working area when also her when she does her schoolwork. Also, I got a bunch of Hot Wheels. I still gotta put more up. The rest are down there. I'm gonna move this flag and put the rest of the Hot Wheels on this side as well. But yeah, I like the way it came out. Are you proud of it? Are you proud or I'm proud of you, baby. I'm proud of myself. You.
I'm proud of you.
And there you go. So that wraps up this video. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in that next one.